Hi guys, my name is Dominic, and today I would like to show you my safety and of course project on the SOLAS Convention, also known as the Safety of Life at Sea. So this presentation will explain what is SOLAS is, why it matters, its key component, its tablets, and the impact of it on the maritime safety and the future of SOLAS. So here we go. So first, why does solar matter? Well, almost like 90% of world trade move by sea, so safety is a big deal. Accident like fire, flooding, or navigation is mistake can cause like serious damage and even loss of life. So because ship travel like, between many countries, we need one set of rules that everyone should follow it. So that's basically why Solar exists and to reduce risks and make ocean transport safer worldwide. Okay, and what is SOLAS? Where it's come from? So everyone heard about Titanic. We still have a film that's pretty popular. So the SOLAS started after the Titanic disaster and has been updated many times. It set medium safety standard for ship design, equipment, communication, and emergency produce. If a ship wants to operate internationally, it must follow the SOLAS. So in short, it tells us how ship would be built, what safety equipment they need, and how crew should respond to emergencies. Okay, and next one, purpose of SOLAS. So that can be like summarized in four main ideas. First, the medium standard. The SOLAS sets the global safety requirement for ship construction, equipment, and operation. The next second, accident prevention. So it has to reduce the risk and limit the impact of emergency through mandatory safety measure. Third, the next one, global uniformity. It could ensure consistent rules too, so flag the states and port states can enforce the same standard. And finally, continuous improvement. So the SOLAS is updated regularly so it can respond to new technology and emerging risks. And we could move to the next part, key component of SOLAS. So the main component of SOLAS focus on the most critical safety area on a ship. So about a ship construction, that's normally pretty heavy. If you're loading stuff, so it should require a strong hose, a watertight compartment, and stable design. And next one, life-saving equipment. That requ that should include the lifeboat in emergency, the life raft, and life jacket for. And next one, fire protection. That should require alarm and fire suppression system to control the onboard fire. Last but not least, navigation and communication. That should include AIS, the radar, the GMTSS system, helping ships to navigate safely and communicate during emergency. Okay, and the SOLAS is really long document with surveys, certification, regulation, but I could tell that's organized into different chapters that each address specific safety topics. So the chapter one that covers general provision, surveys, and certification. Chapter two, that cover ship construction and fire safety. Chapter 3 and 4 focus on life-saving equipment, radio communication, especially the GMDSS I mentioned before. And chapter 5 include regulation for unsafe navigation, and all the chapter cover like cargo safety, dangerous goods, ship management system, and safety measure for special type of ship. The SOLAS has had a significant impact on the ocean transportation. Like before SOLAS, disaster like Titanic happened because the ship didn't follow the same safety standard. The Titanic didn't have enough lifeboat, and that show how dangerous the gap in the regulation were. Since then, SOLAS have reduced accidents by making sure ships are built safer, crew are better training, and emergency equipment is always available. It's also created a strong safety culture and improved cooperation between countries. So overall, the lesson from Titanic became the foundation for the safer shipping industry we have today. And in the future, Solar will need to deal with a new challenges. Cybersecurity. The cybersecurity is becoming a big issue as ships rely more on digital navigation and communication system. And there's also more focus on environmental protection like emission and pollution controls. And developing country may need to support to apply these standards. So that will keep evolution as the industry changes. In conclusion, SOLAS is the foundation of global maritime safety. It sets consistent international standards, reduce accident, improve emergency response, and have the industry adapt to new challenges. With continuous updated and strong global cooperation, SOLAS will continue protecting life at sea as many generations. Lastly, these are references I used, including official IMO source and Maritime Safety Organization. Thank you for listening. You guys have a good day.